What's happening, YouTube? Thanks so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ruben and welcome to the channel. Please note, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I providing any financial advice. I'm just a guy showing you what I do on my phone and with my cash. Please understand the risk that you are taking whenever you're making any sort of investment. You do work hell of a hard for your money. But so in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to basically create and use a Valr account. Valr is one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies in South Africa. I think the owner or the CEO that created the company used to actually work for FNB. And talking about FNB, you might have seen quite a lot of other banks have started creating different sort of cryptocurrency departments, or even like blockchain departments. So it does seem like adoption by banks in South Africa has basically gone up, which is a good thing. It's showing that what people have been investing in or treating as a currency over the last, what is it now, maybe since 2008 when Bitcoin started picking up, and then again like in 2012. So it's like over 10 years now that banks are starting to take this thing seriously. And also with regards to regulatory policies being put in place, it basically forces these companies and institutions to actually take it seriously. But anyway, here you can see I'm on my phone. I'm going to type in Valr here. As soon as I click on Valr, this is my portfolio that I have. I will leave a link down below for you guys to actually use. Valr does have a Standard Bank business account. They don't have any other business accounts. So if you want to transfer money to the account, you'll click on here for deposits. You can select whether you want to use South African rands or if you want to use US dollars. You can also transfer from other wallets. You can also transfer from other wallets if you might have funds in there. Just remember there is gas fees and charges that do occur. I do believe if you do transfer in fiat with South African rands, when you make a credit card transaction, it's about 3.8 or 4% of the transaction. Let's just check here. If I click on credit card, and here you can see it's about 3.9%. Depending on how I feel, I would just deposit with one of my credit cards if there is something fast in the market that will allow me to make that 3.8% charge. Otherwise, you use a EFT. EFTs on the account. You transfer from a Standard Bank. That's the same time delivery for the funds. Or if you transfer it from another bank, it'll take about 24 hours for the amounts to actually be reflecting in. I do note that they do say at least 2 days. I think that is for business. In case that they don't do it in the 24 hours, they at least give themselves some slack. But so that's basically how to deposit in the account. Withdrawing is very simple as well. You basically select how you want to transfer it. If you want to transfer it into your South African bank account, or if you want to remove cryptos or transfer it to another wallet, that's fine. They also have a cool referral program. Here you can see on this account that I'm using here, I've made about 360 Rand with the friends that I've referred and shown how to trade. I will leave down a referral link on there, but at the bottom of the video in the descriptions. So basically you do also get about 15% back. So what happens is that if I'm on level 1 or level 3 at the moment, I will get 15% back as a rebate, and then 10% will get rewarded to those that actually trade. So here on the top it says rebate percentage of your own trading fees, and then reward percentage of your referrals trading fees. So that's how you work it or get funds on Valr with regards to the referral program. But here they have a clearer breakdown for you, explaining how the commissions would work and what the conditions are, and basically breaking down for you how it actually works. If I just scroll up, go into Valr again, they also have an auto buy function over here. I don't like using this because course, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I prefer doing my own research, understanding the stock at a specific time when I do want to purchase it. So, but if you want to purchase Bitcoin every month and you don't want to worry about the price and stuff, that again is called dollar averaging investing. So you can do that. They also have a tracking process. And the last one here on the top is called Pay. What's nice about Pay is that you can actually start using Bitcoin to purchase items around South Africa. It has been around for about 10 or 12 years. I think they had it on the Luno's website. They had that. Fun fact, I don't use Luno anymore. Bit of a pain, and yeah, it's just I've had Google authentication on the account, and when I tried to speak to their people to get it cleared, because that phone got stolen and the email address was blocked, so I didn't have the SIM card for that account, or at least I didn't have that phone that had the Google authentication on it. And then the second part was that the email address was blocked, but I knew all my balances on all my accounts. I think Binance assisted me with sorting out my balances on my accounts, whereas Luno was a bit of a pain. But anyway, we move. So the last one is called Pay. Like I mentioned, Luno does mention on their account that you can pay at certain companies. I think one of the news channels, I think it was News 24, actually went and tested out purchasing bread from a Pick and Pay using Bitcoin, and it was a successful transaction. But just always remember the charges that you do get whenever you purchase items. I haven't tried it yet. I'm not sure what the gas fees are. I'm assuming there will be gas fees. It's just understand what it is that you guys need to purchase. That's just a side note from my side. But in terms of the pay, you actually do get funds. You can transfer money to your friends, or you can receive money from them, or you can even pay for an item, or you can scan a barcode here in the middle. So that's how the Valr Pay works. It's actually pretty cool. I enjoy using that from time to time, especially now with how virtualized cards are nowadays. The only thing that I do carry is my driver's license and my cell phone. I hardly ever carry a wallet. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. On my main account, here you can see the breakdown of what it is that I'm currently invested in. On the top of it says that Bitcoin is at 35%, Doge is at 32%, and others are at 33%. So these are the main coins that I have. If you guys would have seen in a previous video where we took a 150 euro account on Binance and tried to flip it to 500 euros, we did that in about 4 episodes, and that was because of Matic, which is a Polygon network here. Polygon network, I do believe, is going to be used in Facebook for their marketplace. Keep an eye on that stock there. Shiba and Doge are just there for the memes. I think I bought more Doge this week when Elon Musk managed to purchase Twitter. USD coin. That's basically a coin for me to invest in the US dollar. So yeah, use my South African rand to purchase that there. So if the dollar goes up against the rand, I basically receive a benefit on that. Solana is also one of the big projects that I've been speaking about. Really massive fan of it. They have quite a few conferences in Portugal recently. Haven't been tracking most of their social stuff, but do invest in it. Ripple and Bitcoin are my two OGs that I always trust and keep. So yeah, that's basically what my main account looks like. What I am planning to do though is create a new account where I will be taking tips from you guys, and we are going to be building a YouTube account. So YouTube account is here, it is live. This is what is cool about Luno or Valr is that you can actually create sub accounts dependent on your trading type for that account. Some people might be doing long-term investing, other people might just be doing day trading. So at least it allows you different trading strategies on your account. So in terms of this YouTube account, I plan to be giving 100 Rand every week to this account, and I will be investing it based on what YouTube says. So keep an eye open for trading or YouTube posts where I'll ask yes or no, or if the comments are there and I see a comment that I like, I'll purchase a coin. But yeah, that's how we plan to use the sub account for YouTube. If you click on the top right, the hamburger menu, that's where you can create this account and transfer funds. I didn't mention the referrals. You can also work with your security, get your two-factor authentication. You can block an account if someone's been hacking it or violated it. But yeah, for the most part, that's how this Valr account works. You can see all the wallets on here. If you don't want to look only at the products that you have, you can basically look at all the other coins. There is a nice array of coins on here, which is really nice as compared to other platforms that have limited amounts. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on Valr. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll leave a link down below for everything. Cheers. See you guys. Bye.